If you've never made money online with CPA marketing, why not just simply try out this particular strategy, which I'm going to reveal to you right here in this video on how you can actually start making money online in the year 2023 and beyond with CPA marketing. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, how to make money online, and the use of other AI tools. So if you do like such content, make sure you do stick around and check out the videos in my channel that could actually be helpful to you. And guys, don't forget to also go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making more income online. With that being said, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, this strategy which we're actually going to be using right here is an amazing strategy. You just want to come right here to this platform called CPA Grip. If you don't have an account, click on register, and it's quite easy to go on to registering for this platform. Just fill out this form right here, and you just want to focus on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs. And if you do fill out those fields appropriately, for this publisher type, either select the website/incense or the GPT right here, as those will actually enable your account to get created almost immediately. You could agree to the terms of services right now and click on register, and your account should be created almost immediately. Then you can then log into your account, go onto the offer tools section, click on my offers, and do go on to selecting offers which you want to promote. You could select offers from any country of your choice, from a top tier country such as the United States or the United Kingdom right here, and actually start trying to, as much as possible, to drive traffic to this particular offer. And you can see right now, guys, that if I do select this offer, you'll be able to see more details about this offer. That is actually an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer, and the payout to this offer is about $1.50 right here. Here's your unique affiliate link which you could use to go on to promoting this offer. And to promote this offer is quite simple. You just want to go onto this particular platform called the site.google.com to actually go on to creating a simple landing page. You could create a simple landing page using this website right here. You could also go on to using the breezy.io also, or the systemy.io, or any other landing page creator site out there which you can grab hold of, and you can just simply create a cool landing page and link that landing page to this particular CPA marketing offer. Once you do that, guys, you want to just simply dive right ahead to promote this particular landing page. And if you're finding it difficult driving traffic or creating a landing page, you just want to go on to checking my channel right here, because in my channel I've actually created much more videos for you on how you could go on to creating a landing page right here using all the landing page creator sites which I actually did show you right here in this video. You can see this video right here shows you how to go on to creating a landing page with a Google site. This one right here, how to create a landing page with a breezy.io. This one teaches you how to create a landing page right here with the Webflow, and you can actually see lots more other videos that actually teaches you how to go on to creating a landing page. So you can then just simply go on to watching such videos, as they could be helpful to you if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page on such platforms right there. And once you do create a landing page and that landing page is linked to your CPA marketing offer, you can then go on to promoting it using this platform right here, which is called Twitter. So you want to just simply come onto Twitter and actually do go on to creating a post about that particular offer right there. You could tell them that you're giving them a giveaway and try as much as possible to write a cool content right there. You could also go on to using ChatGPT to actually go on to generating a content which you want to just simply go on to using to promote that particular CPA marketing offer on Twitter. And ChatGPT is going to come up with a cool and amazing content right there for you. So you could actually just simply use that right now. So if I do ask ChatGPT to write a Twitter post to promote a $500 Morrison gift card, you can see ChatGPT actually did write something cool. It says, ready to score big and on your next grocery haul, enter the chance to win a $500 Morrison gift card and treat yourself to a shopping spree. Just imagine all the delicious meals, and you can see a lot more other content right here. What you want to just simply do is copy that, head on to Twitter, and actually do go on to pasting that right here. It actually did go on to also generating some cool hashtags right there which you could go on to using. And guys, you could also add in hashtags of stuff that are actually do trending right now. And if you do that, guys, you want to just simply put in the link right here to that particular offer right now, which you did actually link to your content or your landing page, you want to just simply get the landing page link and actually do add that in that particular section. Maybe if I do add that in this section right here, as you can see, this is actually flagging red, meaning that this link is not acceptable. I use the direct CPA marketing link, which is why you want to just simply go on to using a landing page link instead. And if you do put in that link, go on to posting this particular post on Twitter, you want to just simply try as much as possible to drive multiple traffic to this particular post. And how do you do that? You want to just simply use this exact same strategy right here using this website called the Add Me Fast. And this is an amazing website where you can actually use to boost your social media presence. As you can see, the Add Me Fast is a network that will help you grow your social media presence. It is easy, it actually has a free registration, and more than 400 daily bonus points are actually active for grabs on this platform. And if I do go on to logging into my account, you could create an account quite easy right here on this platform. And right here, I'm actually logged into my account. What you want to do right now is that you want to just simply go on to performing some simple tasks right here. As you can see, the Facebook post light, you're actually going to be seeing some tasks right here that are actually going to be giving you some points. As you can see, for this task, it says you will actually get 10 points for liking this Facebook post or this Facebook page right here. And if you do go on to liking that Facebook page, you do get 10 points on this particular platform. And guys, you can actually go on to checking more and more stuff which you can actually do to gain points on this platform. And if you do gain points, you can then just simply go on to listing your stuff right here on this platform, or your post right here on this platform for people to actually do go on to doing so. So you could just simply come right here under add tags, click on my tags, and you can then just simply go on to adding your tags right here on this platform. As you can see right here, I'm not yet qualified to add on this platform right now. You want to make sure you're engaged on this platform for quite some time before you can then just simply go on to adding on this platform. So I can just simply come right here to my ad section and actually go on to inserting my ad right here, and actually do go on to giving people points right here for completing my ad, maybe just by going on to completing that link right there or completing that CPA marketing offer. You're going to be giving them some little points right there. Or you could then just simply come onto this particular platform if you run out of coin to purchase coin or do some other people's stuff or other people's tax right there, and you do get to actually drive a lot of traffic to that particular Twitter tweet using this strategy. As you can see right here, this particular platform actually supports the Facebook sharing, Facebook followers. You can see the Twitter followers, the Twitter video likes, the Twitter followers also, or the Twitter tweets, Twitter retweets, Twitter likes, and a lot more other stuff right here. So just simply use this platform to actually try as much as possible to drive traffic to that Twitter tweet, and in doing so, you can actually do go on to earning some passive income online using this exact same strategy. And I hope this video did help you. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.